Okay, now let's see what we are going to do. Now see your children, we just finished safety in school, we finished, right? I mean, reading. Even safety on the road also we finished. One second. Cyrus?
Yes, ma'am.
Is not. Cyrus, did we read in class safety on the road? No. Yeah, we finished. Anyway, ma'am will read, okay? Just go through it. We'll just read this 1 minute. No, don't worry, because all these things are very important. You don't turn on your mic. Ma'am will just read the whole page. Do not touch electric wires and plugs. That will be finished. You may get an electrical shock. Do not touch stoves, heaters, and toasters. You may get burnt. Do not play with sharp or pointed objects such as knives, blades, and scissors. You may get cut. Now, while you are in school, I told you, must be very, very careful when you climb the stairs. Do not slide down the railing of the stairs. Do not push others. Do not stand on desk. You may fall. And just imagine, children, if you fall from the desk and if your forehead just hit on the edge of the desk, that's all. It will be bleeding. Don't tell that one pushed, ma'am, this one pushed. You must be careful. Safety on the road. Always walk on the footpath. Children, what all things are given in black and dark letters, you can underline. Example, safety on the road, footpath you just see. Okay, if there is no footpath, walk on the safe side of the road if there is no footpath. Use a subway or an overbridge. Subway is just going underneath, like we have it in so many places, cities, and overbridge just to avoid the crowd, like traffic jam, all that. See, when there is a traffic jam, you may not be able to walk on the road, so you can use the overbridge or the subway. Before crossing the road, look your right, look your left, then right again. And you have to cross the road only at the, I want Alan to answer, cross a road only at the
zebra crossing.
Children, this time I will be giving marks for listening and answering, because I was reading all this and in between I was asking questions. Alan was able to answer. Like that, everybody must listen. Wait for the traffic to stop before crossing the road. Yesterday, children, when I was going home, there was a signal and we stopped. And the one bus just in front of me just crossed the road. That was right for the bus to move. But one girl just ran to get in that bus and she was not supposed to do it. A school girl. She didn't want to miss the bus. She just ran without seeing the traffic, just flying up and down. And the police got scared and we all looked at her. Then only we knew why she crossed the road to get that bus around 6 o'clock in the evening. Just imagine, children, let the bus go. You will get the next one. But don't misuse the rules. Disobey the rules, okay? Something can happen. Just imagine in any other vehicle just coming through the other side of the road and hitting her. So must be very careful, okay? Never run or play on the road. You may be hit by a moving vehicle. See, as I said, you just know. Safety in the bus. Look at the children standing in a queue. Children, I know that all will be anxious to touch one and pull somebody's head, stamp them and all that. Don't do all that, okay? Just look here. Safety in the bus. While waiting for a bus, stand in a queue. Q-U-E-U-E. See the spelling? Q. Underline that word. Get in when your turn comes. Don't be pushing anybody. Get into the bus one by one. You must be carrying your school bag, or you must be having something else in your hand. You'll be pushing other children. Okay. Do not get in or get off a moving bus. Never do that. If a bus is moving, do not jump and come out. A bus is moving, do not jump and get inside. You may fall down. Many accidents take place due to this. The person who is jumping may lose the balance and fall, and the tire behind, not the first one, behind, that will run over the person. Be careful, children. Whatever it may be, always travel with your elders. Do not put your arm or head out of a moving bus. Other moving vehicles may hit you. Understood? You're keeping your hands out and telling la 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 la, singing and dancing and disturbing everybody. Waving out your friends who sitting in the next, seats, like first or second or third or fourth. That's very, very dangerous. Any vehicle which passes by hit you, and you may not have one hand. Do not disturb the driver. He has to drive carefully. See, just below the bus, do not push or pull while getting into the bus. Safety at play. This is very, very important, children. Ma'am has seen many times when I take my children out, when I take 2 classes out for the game, within 5 minutes, one by one, ma'am, he pushed me, ma'am. He pulled me, ma'am. He just stamped on my shoes, ma'am. Will be crying. No, children, no. You must be very, very careful. You're big enough. You're matured enough. You have to look after your small ones. You don't do any harm. Okay? Always play in safe places such as a park or a playground. A park, reliable place, a playground. When you are in school, your teachers, your masters will be just having an eye on you. They won't send you to any place where there is danger. Some reptiles will be there. Some insect will fall on you. You may fall sick. Okay, some allergy will be there. Listen carefully, children. Next year when you come to school, you must tell me what are the things I told you. Okay, what I'm telling you today. Now, while in a park, you are with your elderly people. When you play on the slides and be careful. Okay. Inform an adult if a swing is broken. Do not play on it until it is fixed. If a swing is broken, you cannot play. When somebody pushes you on the swing, you may fall down. Okay, children? And don't be going on hitting anybody. Don't be pushing anyone. One by one. There also you have to follow the queue system. When it's crowded, you go to the next item to play. Don't go out of the reach of an elderly person. Okay, children? The other day, one small boy was staying with his grandmother, grandfather, and mother. And mother had another 2 children at home. And this boy, without listening to the parents, father was not there, okay? He was playing the ball, and the ball went and fell into the next ground, not their own place, next plot. And there was full of leaves under that coconut tree, like, okay, old one, dried leaves. This boy jumped to that place to take the ball. Don't know what happened, something he knew, something happened to his body, like a pricking thing, feeling he had. He just ran inside. He didn't tell anybody, because why he didn't tell? He was not supposed to go there and play. His mother and his grandfather told before. But he just, while playing it, the ball went and fell on the next plot, so he jumped. Children, very poisonous snake with that boy. We are not telling it may happen to you, but you must be very, very careful, children. When you play here also, ma'am used to tell all the children, don't go in nothing will be there in school. School is a safe place for you. No grass altogether grown somewhere. Everything they will clean. These malis will, workers will clean and keep. But still, you are not supposed to go. You have to be under the guidance of the teacher or the PT master. While playing with the ball, you don't throw at each other. And a snake bit this boy, and it took more than 6 months for him to come out of it. It was a Russell vapor. That's very, very poisonous snake, okay? And it won't even move. Thank God the snake was there when people came to find out what happened to this child, and they started treating this boy. And that boy is so sweet of him, 6 years, and he started growing his hair, and he was looking at his daddy when he came from Dubai. He was just looking at his father. Father was full of tears and prayed. He was praying to God. He was telling Jesus, thank you so much for showing the sleep on the correct time, because they never knew, this boy never knew what happened. So children, you are too small while playing, and don't play with the lift, all that, because many times I have seen even the small children, 2 years, 3 years, just going and pressing the button, getting inside. Suddenly if it closes, what will happen? The child will be crying because they are watching the elders doing it. Children, take care of yourself. Don't get scared for anything because ma'am is telling you all this. Always you go out with your parents. If you go out with your uncle, auntie, that also they'll take care. But still, if more than 2 or 3 children, they won't be able to see you. Okay, even the parents must take care of the children, because nowadays we don't know what's happening. Small thing, it's just a second is enough to happen something. So must be very, very careful. Okay, now sit when you play on the swing. Do not go near someone who is on a swing. You may get hurt. Never climb up a slide from the front. See the slide over there, children. If you climb from the front, you may fall, or you'll be disturbing the other child who's climbing up the ladder and coming there, steps. Someone may slide down and hurt you. You're climbing up on the wrong way. The other person must be just coming down. Slide down with your feet first. See that boy? Feet first. Don't come upside down. Something will happen to you. Only one child should slide down at a time. Children, I know that, children. How much ever we speak, how much ever we tell you, how much ever we look after you, you will not listen because you are small. This is the time you want to play, you want to irritate someone, you want to run and play, disturb others. Follow the rules of the game when you play. If you follow the rules at home, it will be easy for all the teachers to handle you. I'm sure that the set of children will come out with flying colors in their academic and behavior. Okay, children, good set of children. I know that you will obey your parents. You won't give trouble to them. Whatever they say, you must listen, even in class. Online classes, I know it will be very tough for you, but don't give trouble to your parents. Now I know you know how to operate the system and how to play with it, how to cheat, ma'am, all that I know. But still, okay, now let me see. Let me see the faces. All are very happy because they're telling, ma'am, we know everything, but take care of yourself, okay? Okay, let me go back. Juan Sri, I'm talking to you seriously, Juan Sri. Keep that fruit down, okay? After some time, you'll be free and you can eat. Be good. Rida, did you listen to ma'am? What all things ma'am said just now?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you obey to your elders?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you obey to your grandfather who's taking care of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Jane, what about you? Will you listen to ma'am? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Everybody must listen. Okay. Now, let's see what is the next heading. Yeah. Safety in the pool. My goodness, children, I will not advise you to go to the pool in this age. Those who are going for any like swimming classes under the guidance of a master, you can go. Other than when you go for a picnic, when you go for something else, don't be going into the ponds and the wells to swim if you don't know swimming. Okay, children? No, even if your elders take you. I don't want you to go because you're too small. Now itself, your parents must be giving you bath. I mean, your mummy or grandmother or someone. So when you jump into the pool and all, it's not safe. You must know how to jump because you'll be so excited. See the picture given there? Somebody is there. Children in foreign countries, you won't believe, 3 years old, 4 years old, 2 years old child, with all safety measures, they will just go to the pool. They'll have a small pool and the bigger parents will have another pool, but everything, they know everything. They follow the rules and they go. But here, when you see water, you don't know what to do, pata, 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 you will be jumping into it. Be careful, children. Do not swim just after you have had a meal. Your stomach is full. You cannot go to the swimming pool. You go before that and come and have lunch or whatever it is. When you go out somewhere to stay, your stomach may ache. Stomach ache. You won't tell stomach pain, stomach ache. You can say pain also, no problem. Use a swimming tube if you are learning to swim. As I told you, do not go to the deep end of the pool. The deep end is only for tall adults, because they will be 5 feet and above. They know how to swim. They'll be careful. Okay, children? Please listen, children. Ma'am doesn't want to hear any happenings. Ma'am is very scared of water. Anything I'm scared. Be careful. Okay? Do not go to the deep end of the pool. For small children, there will be a small pool. Only you can just step in and just sit and just you can have just go ahead with swimming, or you can just walk. That your leg must reach down. That much small it should be. Always swim in the presence of an adult. And if an adult or your elders take a phone and goes somewhere, you don't go with them, because they'll be always on the phone and they won't listen to you. When they are on the phone, you may turn and you may jump into the pool. you may lose your balance. Be careful. I'm not blaming anybody. Children, don't take up in any other sense. I need you to be very, very safe. I need attention from your elders whenever you go out. Okay, children, remember, and first aid box should be always present wherever you go. Even children, when we take you all out, you didn't have a chance to go out like that. Last year you were in first standard. I think you must have gone somewhere, but see here, yeah, you have gone somewhere out. So you must have a first aid box, because anything can happen. A child may fall, somebody may push while getting into the bus. The first help that an injured person gets is called first aid. The first help without going to the hospital or to the clinic or to a doctor. First aid is given before the doctor arrives or before the injured person is taken to a hospital. As I told you, first aid means the help given to the patient, one who's ill, one who's hurt, before the injured person is taken to a hospital or before the doctor arrives. There should be a first aid box in a box given there, in school and at home. First aid box should contain some medicines. What happened? I can hear some swimming sound. John Matthew, turn off your mic. Some swimming sound I can hear. Okay, John. So the first aid box should be there always. Don't worry about the textbook, children. You can just hear. Okay. And first aid box will help you. Anything happens to you. Okay. I know that small children, ma'am, I fell down, he pushed me and will come with bleeding knee and all that and crying. As soon as to everybody, wherever you are, if you fall, at once you just go wash that part, hurt part. Akshita, please turn off your mic. Turn off your mic, Akshita, when class is going on. Please turn off your mic. Then wash the hurt. Akshita, turn off your mic for some time. Afterwards, I'll talk to you. Okay, just wash the part. Just wash. Because sand will be there. You just wash the part, which part is hurt. Wipe it nicely. It may pain. Then ask your elders to apply something, some medicine, okay? I don't know what happened. Afterwards, I'll talk to her. A first aid box should contain some medicines, bandage, a pair of scissors, and some cotton. Now, we'll just read this, okay, children? We are not going to do more than this. And in a nutshell means, you can write today's date over there, children. So you will know and ma'am will know where we stopped. In a nutshell, write today's date, 26/3. Okay, children? Yeah. We must follow safety rules to avoid accidents. We must not play with sharp or pointed objects such as knives, scissors, etc. We must not stand on desks and chairs. As I told you, you may fall. We must never run or play on a road. A moving vehicle may hit you. We must wait for our turn to get into a bus. No pushing and pulling anybody. You have to stand in a queue when you get into the bus. We must always play in safe places. That means you must not go to the bush. You must not go out of the reach of your elderly person. When you are in school, we'll take care of you. At home, don't cheat your parents or your grandparents and run away. Okay, good children. We must always swim in the presence of an adult. Now, this is not there for your assignment, but you must know the things. And John, from the nutshell, I want you to read the first two. And John,
follow
please read.
safety rules to avoid.
Louder.
We must follow safety rules to avoid risks.
Only the first two. And it wasn't clear. Ansh, can you read it once again, the first sentence?
We must follow safety rules to
Avoid accidents.
Good. We must not play with sharp or pointed objects.
Very good. Now, next to Sona girl, please read third and fourth one.
Yes.
We must not
stand on the desk and chair.
Very good. We must
run.
never run. Play on a road. Okay, next person. I'm going to call Aratrika. Please read. We must wait. Start fifth one. We must wait. Aratrika, are you there? Okay, what about Getsia? No. Effie? Okay. Ritik Pranav, read the fifth one. We must wait.
Yes, ma'am. We must wait for our turn to get into a bus.
Very good. Now, next sentence is for Punit. Aratrika. Akshara, I didn't call you Akshara, just wait. Punit, Aratrika, is it you?
Yes, ma'am.
Aratrika, read. We must always. Aratrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
We must follow safety rules to avoid accidents.
No. Aratrika, last sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Read 6 and 7 sentences, Aratrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read.
Yes, ma'am. We must always play in safe places. We must always maintain the essence of an adult.
Very good. Now, children, as I told you, have a nice weekend, and you and Sri, don't eat while sitting in class. Okay, you must have a nice weekend, and Sri Mukulin is going to enjoy his birthday, and you have to go through the worksheets given every day, daily, and if anybody is sick, must tell ma'am. Okay, now Akshita.
Ma'am,
What happened? Yes, Punit, what happened?
you called me?
Yeah, anyway, they finished reading. Don't worry, Punit. Okay, take care of your health. Now, where is Akshita? Akshita, something she wanted to tell. Yes, children, go through all the worksheets, complete it. Don't be sending any messages saying this and that. Okay, please. You just go through the worksheets, answer it. Not now. You have to send it only after. And I want you to write your worksheet in your own handwriting, because you are going to get mark for the handwriting. Somebody else is writing, I'm not going to give. That's general, I'm telling.